In this video, you'll learn how to set up your gamification Notion template. By the end of this guide, you will have a fully functional page that tracks your habits and goals using a points and rewards system. Begin by navigating to the Notion website and signing in to your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, you will be directed to your workspace. Locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen where you can see your existing pages. To create a new page for your gamification system, click on the New Page option at the bottom of the sidebar. This action will open a blank page in the main workspace area. Here, you can enter a title for your page, such as Gamification Tracker. It is important to define what habits or goals you wish to track, as this will form the foundation of your gamification system. Next, focus on developing your points and rewards system. To do this, you will need to create tables for your tasks and points. Click on the table option in the block menu that appears when you type a /. Assign specific point values to actions that you complete, ensuring that they are motivating yet achievable. Additionally, define what rewards you will offer for reaching certain milestones. Keeping the rules simple will help you stay consistent in tracking your progress. Once your points and rewards system is in place, it is essential to track and improve it regularly. Make it a habit to update your points daily to maintain engagement. At the end of each week, review your progress to see how well you are adhering to your goals. If you notice a drop in motivation, consider adjusting your rewards or simplifying your rules to make the system more effective. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.